You'd be surprised to see the insides of this kangaroo's pouch.
Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's a lot cleaner, Keegan. Good job.
I am Antimon, leader of the Lectrons. Welcome.
No vale cagarse encima. Está bajo nuestro.
This phenomenon is called camera obscura. It makes pictures of the other side when light goes through a small hole in a dark room. These are dogs from the Peabody Hotel, and this is their daily walk to the hotel's fountain. A woodpecker's tongue can be used for defense. Check out this liquid in augmented reality that you can sculpt with your hands.